Favorable. Skies are clear and looks go for launch. The current weather readings in Baikonur indicate that we're within range limits for liftoff. Last check, we had liftoff temperature of 12 degrees C, 54 Fahrenheit, with ground winds moderate, upper winds moderate as well. So again, weather conditions are very good.
All right. Again, Mike, you are the ILS Program Director, so we're going to turn it over to you and let you take us through to launch.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Jennifer. This is the fun part. Right now, we're at sitting at about T-minus 50 seconds till launch. There's a lot of anxious people out in Baikonur right now. Teams in Reston and teams in Palo Alto and Luxembourg all watching the launch, expecting a bright show tonight. As T-minus 30 seconds and counting, it's a clear night, and we should be able to watch the rocket progress up in its trajectory as it heads eastbound. And we're at T-minus 20. And most of the places, the ground stations and the comm center, everybody's pretty quiet right now, just watching downrange. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Main engine ignition, and we have liftoff of an ILS Proton rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan with the Quetzsat-1 satellite on board. Let's listen. Normalny, you'll hear that a lot. That means normal in Russian. And at about 10 seconds after liftoff, the rocket does a roll maneuver and will soon experience maximum dynamic pressure, or max Q. Max Q being the maximum aerodynamic load on the vehicle. It corresponds to about Mach 1.6 and occurs 1 minute, 2 seconds after liftoff. Popular rumble that you can feel as you watch the launch out at the Cosmodrome. Everything seems to be proceeding nominally as the vehicle heads in an easterly direction with a flight azimuth of about 61.3 degrees. Boy, it's a clear sky. You can still watch it as it heads downrange.
That is the nice thing about doing these launches after dark. You really can see it as it goes farther and farther away.
And you never get tired of watching them, no matter how many you see.
It's so true.
We're coming up on first stage separation, which we will probably be able to see. And it separates from the second stage, and that is set to occur about 2 minutes into the flight. Right now we're at T plus 1 minute 40 seconds. Everything's still normalny. Everything is nominal in the flight. T plus 1 minute 50 seconds and still clear. Everybody at the hotels is watching because they can see. There you see the separation event.
Oh, there it goes, yeah.
So and clear. Basically this is that animation was what happened with first and stage. And I have confirmation of first and second stage separation. And it's a good separation between the first and second stage. The second stage engines actually ignite while it's still attached to the first stage. And the exhaust from those engines, which you saw, it escapes through the open grid work between the two stages. And we had confirmation of signal of ignition on all 4 second stage engines. And they will burn for a total of about 3 minutes, 27 seconds. And we can still see it at T plus 3 minutes. It's barely there, but still visible. Looks like a star in the sky. And the next key mission milestone will be stage 2-3 separation, which will occur at L plus